Today we're going to learn the back handspring. I'm actually going to relearn it because I learned it ages ago. I learned it for a couple of days, but then just out of nowhere, couldn't do it. Haven't been able to do it since. We're just going to do some progression stuff first. So you just down low, arch your back, and then you just kick the legs over. My left is okay, but my right's like mad retarded. Alright, let's give me for it. Oh, okay. Probably need a bit more height. Let's go crazy. Let's go for two. So I'm going to do a round off into a back handspring. Apparently that helps. I've already done a round off video into a backflip. I'll put an annotation up there or something. Give it a go. So. I'm screwing the mat off. It's too hard to time into it. Yeah, I'm leaning to the left a little bit. I'm gonna try keep the shoulders square. Still doing that. Still going to the left. Nah. Wrist is feeling a little bit better after 7 months. Hopefully I don't do anything bad to it today. So as you can see, when I'm doing my back handspring, I usually go to the left. I think that's because of touchdown rides, because touchdown rides go down to the left a little bit. I want to straighten it up. I want so I can go in a straight line, do like 100 in a row. Oh, that's so snappy. So the hands like this. I'm just gonna try to do a backflip out of it. It's not very great, but I'm gonna work on it. I'll call it there before I injure myself. Very requested video, back handspring. Sorry this took this so long, just the wrist just couldn't take it. Yeah, even now it's getting a bit tender. It's horrible, I know, it's still crappy. I will keep working on it. Thank you for watching. 2018 is going to be a massive year and I can't wait for it. So please like, share, subscribe.